Hey, what's up, guys? Alan here with eatsleeptrade.net, and wanted to bring you guys a update on PTX off the swing watch list from last week and again this week. So I want to go over that with you guys. So sit tight for just a second, and we will be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. We've got the daily chart pulled up here for PTX, and these are all the same support and resistance areas that we had drawn from the previous chart update. In that previous chart update, which I will put a link to above, we were going over the break above this 997 area and our find of resistance up here at 1098. And if you guys follow me on Twitter, then you got the call to sell here on this day as it was looking to top out and wanted to see it cool off and a little pullback and maybe gain steam to come again. As you guys can see, it lost basically no price action at all. And I did also mention again this morning that I was buying another position here first thing early in the morning, and that worked out well as the day pretty much just grinded straight up the entire day without any worries. It was a good entry point because our risk was just here at the low of day, so a very small risk area. Right now would be not a good time to buy into this trade, even though I do believe that it is going to go higher tomorrow and put in some new 52-week highs. But you don't want to buy at the top here, because when you're looking for a stop, the best area to put your stop is going to be at the previous day's low or the previous support area that we had before the run. And if you're buying at 1154 and check-in risk all the way down at today's low of 1075, you're setting yourself up for a big loss if the trade works against you, versus buying in the 1090 area where we were able to get into today and having the low of days here at 1060. You're risking 20-25 cents versus 75 cents up to $1 to start a position in here tomorrow, especially if it does open up higher like we would expect. The RSI is still overbought, so that's definitely setting this thing up to move in nicely, especially with the volume that was traded today. We were just under 1.5 million shares traded, so we have really good volume coming into this, and I believe tomorrow we could also have some good volume and again push this thing up to some new 52-week highs. And our next area of support, now that we've broke above it, is going to be this 1098 $11 area here. So if we do get any type of pullbacks or anything like that, we're going to be looking for this area to now turn into support. So our first trade on this, which was the previous week, was entry here on this day and sell on this day here. Both buys and sells actually tweeted out there, so if you guys follow me, you got those, as well as the update stating, hey, let's wait for a pullback, let this thing cool off and see if it wants to re-gear and continue higher. And then followed by the tweet this morning saying, hey, taking a long position here on PTX, looks like it is going to move higher. And sure enough, it just grinded away at the day and closed up nicely up towards the high on good volume. And another thing I want to point out to you guys is this uptrend that we started back here. Oops, let's see. The uptrend that we started back here, if you just draw it from this point here, which is obviously a few months ago, extend it straight right, you guys can see that we broke below that uptrend and now have gained traction above the uptrend, closed above it on that slight pullback, still managed to stay above it, and now are revamping. So it looks like we may have gained traction back above this multi-month uptrend, and might be something that we can continue higher as we make new 52-week highs. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Also, check out our website, eatsleeptrade.net. From there, you can follow me on Twitter and check out the forums to stay up to date on all the stocks that we're watching and trading. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next update.